Hello, and welcome to the public information presentation for Monroe County Department of Transportation's Elmgrove Road Culvert project over Elmford Creek in the town of Gates. My name is Thomas Polech, and I am the project manager for the Monroe County Department of Transportation. I will give you a brief overview of the project and the presentation, and then I will pass it off to our consultants from Lou Engineers and EDR, who will give a more detailed presentation with project specifics. This is a unique project which will replace portions of 3 culvert pipes on Elmford Road, Shadow Lane, and Elmgrove Road in the town of Gates. It is funded by the Bridge New York program, which was a program announced by Governor Andrew Cuomo in 2018. The project received 100% state funding, just under $1 million total for design and construction. The goal of this presentation is to receive comments, questions, and feedback from area residents and officials. Under normal circumstances, we would hold a public meeting in a public forum. However, due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, we will instead post this presentation to the Monroe County website and to YouTube. If you have any questions or comments regarding the project, please send them to me by mail, email, or phone. My contact information will be on the last slide of this presentation. Please send your comments no later than Friday, October 2nd, 2020. Bidding for this project will occur in November of 2020, and construction will begin in the summer of 2021. Residents adjacent to the project will receive mailings about this presentation and also newsletters during construction. Please also contact me if you require any disability-related arrangements. Thank you.
Welcome to the presentation for the Elmgrove Road Culvert improvements over Elmford Creek in Gates, New York. The public outreach for this project will occur via this video presentation. Due to current statewide COVID-19 health emergency restrictions, the public outreach will be conducted via this video presentation, and pamphlets have been distributed. An in-person public meeting will not be held for this project. This presentation is intended to allow interested parties to review the project details, to comment, and to ask questions of the Monroe County Department of Transportation, as well as the consultant design staff. Please take a look at this aerial photograph and the approximate project location shown for the Elmgrove Road culvert improvements. In order to understand the context, please take a look at this slide showing the photos of the project site itself. Each of the photos corresponds with one of the letters shown on the graphic. Photo A is of Elmford Road Inlet, where work will not be occurring. B shows the location of the proposed structures on Elmford Road. C locates the midpoint of the culvert improvements. D is the location of proposed structures and bends on Shadow Lane. And E is the Shadow Lane outlet. Again, work will not be occurring at either the inlet or the outlet. Please take a look at this slide to better understand the work that is occurring and the limits of that work. As indicated in the legend, the dark gray areas are the approximate limit of pavement restoration that will occur. The light gray areas indicate the approximate limit of sidewalk restoration. The hatched areas indicate the approximate limit of concrete gutter restoration. And finally, the blue dashed area indicates the limits of the culvert improvements themselves. Please note, in addition, Elmford Road will be closed for a small portion just east of the driveway of 631 Elmgrove Road. Additionally, the driveway of 640 Elmgrove Road will be temporarily blocked, and a temporary parking area will be coordinated with the homeowner during construction. Project overview. This is a list of the objectives and purpose of the project. First, is to provide a cost-effective, durable, and maintenance-free solution to the structural and hydrologic needs of the existing culvert in order to meet current requirements and standards. Secondly, all driveways and mailboxes will remain accessible during construction. Temporary driveway access may be provided as needed. Third, this is a town and county joint ownership project, but only the county portion will be improved at this time. The town could reline or replace the inlet and outlet sections in the future, but it will not be part of this project. The county and town have been coordinating throughout the design process. Also, there are known sump pump laterals that tie into the existing culvert pipes, and these will be connected to the new pipes. Please contact the Monroe County Project Manager if your sump pump ties into the existing pipes. Finally, the limit of pipe replacement on Shadow Lane was coordinated with the town of Gates in order to allow them to come in at a later date and replace the culvert to the outlet without any disturbance of the road. Alternative and structure information. The proposed alternative consists of replacing the existing culverts and access structures that are under the jurisdiction of Monroe County. These culverts and structures cross under Elmgrove Road from Elmford Road to 200 feet east of Elmgrove Road onto Shadow Lane. For the structure information, the existing system was constructed in 1973. The proposed system will be constructed in 2021. The existing type is a corrugated metal pipe arch with 3 pipes. The proposed is a smooth interior metal pipe arch with 3 pipes. The existing size consists of 2 58-inch by 36-inch arch pipes and 1 65-inch by 40-inch arch pipe. The proposed will consist of 2 43-inch by 36-inch arch pipes and 1 53-inch by 41-inch arch pipe. The total length of the existing system is 250 feet. The proposed will be 250 feet. Other options were considered, however, they were deemed as unfeasible. These options included relining existing pipes, installing plastic pipes, as well as concrete box culverts, to name a few. General information. An additional right-of-way will not be required. No construction on private property is proposed, and no easements will be required. As far as pedestrian access, pedestrians will not be allowed in the construction area during construction. Sidewalks will be closed temporarily. The environmental classification and permits that were required for this project include Seeker Type 2 and the New York State DEC Section 401 Water Quality Certification. Please note that erosion and sediment control measures will be utilized during construction to prevent surface water from being contaminated. General information regarding the maintenance of traffic. The project will be constructed in 6 stages. Elmgrove Road will be temporarily reduced to 1 travel lane in each direction during the first 2 stages. Elmford Road will be closed to traffic at the intersection with Elmgrove Road for about 1 month during the first stage. The detour route is shown on this slide. 3 stages on Shadow Lane will include alternating traffic with yield signs for about 1 month. The typical work hours for the project will include Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. No night work is proposed for this project. General information regarding the schedule and budget. The anticipated schedule for this project includes bidding that will occur in November and December of 2020. The construction itself will occur in the summer of 2021, lasting about 3 months, weather permitting. The county will coordinate the construction schedule and traffic impacts with the town of Gates Gates Child Central School District, and emergency service providers. As for the budget and funding, the budget for this project is $995,000 for the total project, with $813,000 of it directly for construction. 100% of this project is state funded through the Culvert, New York program. Thank you very much for viewing this presentation. If you have any questions or comments, they can be sent via the comment form found on the project website or the comment forms that were recently mailed to nearby residents. We do ask that you please submit all your comments no later than Friday, October 2nd, 2020. You can go to the project website at www.monroecounty.gov/DOT-construction. The contact person for this project is Mr. Tom Polech, PE, who was represented in the beginning of this presentation. He is with the Monroe County Department of Transportation, located at 50 West Main Street, Suite 6100, Rochester, New York, 14614-1231. His phone number is 585-753-7747. Additionally, he can be reached via email at thomaspolech@monroecounty.gov.